Hey everyone, if you can't change the brightness on your Windows computer, whether the slider is missing or just not working, stick around. In this video, I'll walk you through some quick solutions, starting with the basics and moving on to more advanced fixes. First, head to the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Click on the Control Panel icon, and in this window, set View by two large icons. Scroll down and click on Power Options. I recommend selecting the High Performance plan. Under Show Additional Plans, make sure no other options are checked, then exit out of this window. Next, go back to the Start menu, search for Settings and open it. Go to System and click on Display. You should see the Brightness tab at the top. If you see it, click on it and turn off Change Brightness based on content. If you don't see the Brightness tab, just move on to the next step. Now, search for Device Manager in the Start menu and open it. Expand the Display Adapters section and right-click on your graphic card driver. Select Update Driver, then click Search automatically for drivers. If it says you're up to date, close the window, right-click again, and select Update Driver. This time, select Browse My Computer for drivers, and then let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your graphics card and press Next to complete the update. If you have two graphic cards like I do, make sure both are enabled. Right-click on each one and select Enable Device if necessary. Next, expand the Monitors section in Device Manager. Right-click on your monitor, select Update Driver, and choose Search automatically for drivers. If that doesn't work, right-click again, choose Update Driver, select Browse My Computer for drivers, and then let me pick from a list of available drivers. Choose your monitor, press Next, and reinstall the driver. Afterward, close the Device Manager and check if the brightness issue is fixed. If not, the last step is to search for CMD in the Start menu. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type SFC, Scano, and press Enter. This will scan your system files for any issues. It may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the scan completes, close the command prompt. By following these steps, your brightness issue should be resolved. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. See you next time.